I have made so much money. I'm talking massive gains investing in AI cryptocurrencies. I want to show you one of my take profit alerts that I sent to the Patreons. I made huge money. Welcome back. If it's sounding interesting, drop that like, give me subscribe. I shared them Virtual's protocol about 4 cents 3 months ago. So it was towards the end of September. If we take a look at the alert, let's find it. This one here. Right, this one? No, I'm giving it away now. Look, this was the alert here. So I said I'm buying Virtual's protocol because I think it's going to be big. I think it can do a great thing, right? So that was the buy alert to them back in September. And I recently took some profits now. This was my sell alert. And this is what I do. I show them when I'm buying and when I'm selling, right? They always see this stuff. If you don't want to miss it, become a patron. Made massive gains because it flew from 4 cents all the way to $2.28 and it's climbing. So it's been a phenomenal trade and a phenomenal run for me to ride this all the way up to 2.2 billion. It's mad because I took over I've made so much money just in this one, and I've still got loads. $125,000 is what I made in that trade within 3 months, right? 3 months. The power of finding great projects, being a long-term holder, it pays off. Right? And I told them, I said to them, this is the alert. I said, what a fantastic ride we've had with Virtual's protocol. I think it's time to take some profits off the table. It could still go higher, but right now the weekly time frame and the 2-week chart shows us extremely overbought. So I'm going to show you that and show you why I sold some profits on Virtual's, right? So come over here. This is the weekly time frame for Virtual's protocol. You see it up here? We were buying it down here, and then it rose up. Now it's right up here. I said this to you guys. I said, watch in the future when these blue, the blue line for the RSI, which is the relative strength index, starts to come up like this. It's gonna surge, and at some point it will come into the bought area, which makes it a good time to sell. This is at a 93 level on the weekly time frame. Sometimes I need confirmation. Sometimes the weekly isn't good enough for me. Sometimes I want to go to a bigger time frame to really see what's going on. So I flip this to the 2-week because the monthly time frame's not showing anything, and even the 2-week is just peaked in here. Like you can see this line, it's at a 95 level. It is extremely overbought. Now I'm not saying that Virtuals won't go up. Virtuals could probably still 10x, go to 18 billion. I don't know. But what I do know is I bought it at 4 cents. I bought huge amounts. I've spread it across multiple different wallets, and now I'm taking some decent profits because what is that? It's a 56x return. So let's have a look at this. I sold, again, become a patron if you like, 56x, 5,600% pump. What a ride. $125,000. Because this is what you can do. You can take 125,000 and then you can divide it by 56 because I made 56 times my money. I basically turned $2,000 within 3 months into $125,000 plus more because I still got loads in multiple flipping wallets. Okay, so what do we do? What do you do? Look, it's entirely up to you what you want to do. I can only go by what I see on the charts. I'm an investor, yes, long term, but I go by what I see in the charts. And right now, this is very overbought, right? On the weekly and on the 2-weekly. So what does it mean? At some point, we're going to have to see this cool off and come down, right? That's just what happens. It calms down. I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know how long it's going to take. This is a 2-week time frame, which means each candle is worth of 2 weeks action, which means it could take a couple of months. This is why it could still surge more, which is why I still got loads in my wallets, right? So you're going to have to decide what you want to do on that. But yeah, it's been a phenomenal trade. Let me show you one of my wallets here. Is it sure? Let's grab this up. This one here so you can see. I'm not usually transparent, but I don't mind being transparent on this one. So yeah, I took 100. Well, it says there 113,000 on this one. But yeah, and on this particular wallet, I've still got $116,000 left in Virtual. So cool, man. I'm super happy. And one thing I will say, when you are investing long term, especially in any type of projects, it's good to have. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. Always make sure that your tokens are spread across different wallets, and use ledger nanos, please, because that's the best way to protect your investment. Yeah. So I thought I'd just show you this, because you know, when you watch my channel, I'm always buy. I'm never talking sell. But now it's getting to that time where the market's just going crazy, and I'm seeing opportunities to take, you know, life-changing profits, what would probably be for some. And yeah, so this is probably one of the first videos, and many to come, of me taking profits and showing you that it works. You know, these strategies work. You buy here and then you sell here. So I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you want to become a Patreon and you want to catch these awesome buys, because I tell you what, I'm buying cryptocurrency now, just like what I did with this. Like, oh, that's a secret. You can't see that one. Can't get it up. Well, go watch my channel, because you know I've been showing you. Actually, I'll just grab it up. I've been showing you videos on my channel right now on Morph AI. That's gonna be the next big mover. Maybe I'll be taking more than just $100,000 in profit. So if you want to catch these buys, this is what I'm doing. I'm presenting them to you, and I'm trying to show you now. Let's see where Morph AI is in 3 months' time. Let's see where Altered State Machine is in 3 months' time. And let's see if I can make some more videos just like that to show you these massive gains that I'm making all the time. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.